Hey, Remy. Hey, Remy. Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I have a little DIY project I need to take care of. We're about to get a patio built, like a cut roof over here, over our patio slab, and we're gonna lay some more concrete. And problem is I have two sprinkler heads, which you can see I took one off here, and there it is. So what I need to do is get a cap it off so it's no longer in use, because all this is going to be under concrete. And the other one is right here, and I will show you digging it up and all that. It's really a pretty simple project. I just need to go to Lowe's and get the caps and get it done. So let's go. Alright, I'm at Lowe's. I did not see any caps with the Rainbird, like sprinkler system stuff, so I did find one for PVC pipes just over here, and we will try it out. I'm gonna get two of them, and I will go home and put them on. Alright, it's not a bad idea to turn your water off as well. This is what it will look like, just in case. And this is all the brick that we dug up that I had put around the concrete slab years ago. And this is a spray paint we did just to make sure they know where to build it. All right, we'll make sure this thing fits. All right, good to go. All right, now I could potentially move this and use it again, but my backyard really doesn't need water. I never use a sprinkler back here anyway, so I'm not really worried about it. I am going to take some plumber's tape and wrap around here just to be safe so it won't leak. I'm making a big old mess. There we go. Alright, I'm going to dig this sprinkler head up and unscrew it and cap it off, and we're going to be done. So this is an easy job. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So thanks for watching today. Check out how the balcony looks. End of this video, I will show you the finished product. Alright, see you next time. Hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment about anything. See you next time.